Hey guys, today we're here at the ASV Race Shop. We're going to be installing an ASV front lever on this off-road dirt bike. This is going to be applicable for dirt bikes with hydraulic front brakes. If your off-road model has a taillight or an electrical switch, please contact ASV to make sure you have the right tap that will accompany your ASV lever. What you're going to need is two 10mm sockets. We prefer to use the ASV Y-handle tool available on the ASV website. So first up, you're going to want to remove the OEM dust cover. Next, you're going to take your two 10mm and line them up to the top and bottom bolts. Don't worry if you lose the OEM spring, as you do not need the spring for the ASV levers. You'll slide the ASV lever into the push rod. With the ASV lever in place, take the dust cover and line up the holes and drop the bolt through. If you purchase an ASV dust cover, you'll need to use the supplied nut and bolt, but if you did not, you can use the OEM nut and bolt. Lastly, you'll take your two 10mm, tighten up the lever to the perch. Finally, use the reach adjust to dial in exactly where you want the lever position. To really customize your rider cockpit, use one of our ASV rotator clamps. To install the rotator clamp, you'll need an 8mm socket and a 5mm Allen. Be sure to apply some thread locker or Loctite to the bolts before installing. The ASV rotator clamp not only looks good, but it's a patented design for superior functionality. To adjust the lever up or down, fold the lever forward, and with some force, you should be able to get the lever to move. This will allow you to move the lever without tools or in the event of a crash. You may need to adjust the ASV lever depending on where your finger sits on the lever. Our general rule is taking your finger to the edge of the donut, sticking it out, and lining it up perfectly with this hook. Installing a brake lever on a hydraulic brake is fairly simple. With just a few bolts, we now have the ASV lever mounted up and ready to ride. Please visit the ASV website for a full list of makes and models to find the lever that's right for your ride.